See you on the grind, but you look better in person. Working, twerking, throw it and reverse it. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain. Curving, swerving, skirting like I'm swerving. Earn it, shorty you deserve it.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so I'm looking a little rough, don't mind that. I honestly don't care. I just got up, got in the shower, and I wanted to get this video out today. You guys will be getting 2 uploads today, which will be the prank that took me literally, guys, 12 hours to upload. It finally uploaded at 3 in the morning, and you guys know I've been trying since 3 in the afternoon. But yeah, you guys are gonna be getting 2 uploads today. But today we're back with Wiggings hair. And y'all, this is my first time working with Wiggings hair. This is my first time taking hair out the package. And y'all, oh my, I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. If I show you guys the plucking on this frontal, yo, I really, come on, man. I honestly don't have to do like no type of plucking, y'all. This is the same way I would pluck any type of hair. Do you guys see this plucking? I don't know if you guys can really see it. Like, this joint is plucked, y'all, and this plucked so good. This hairstyle that I'm going to be doing today, this hair color that I'm going to be doing today, Alonzo did this, and he did this a couple months ago, and I'm so happy that nobody tried to do it because, y'all, when I saw it, I instantly saved it in my Instagram, and I'm like, oh. I gotta do this. And I was waiting for the right company to send me 24 inches frontal wig thick. I am Alonzo Arnold did it, and that's his Instagram, and he did this let me see, April 15th. Well, April 15th, was it April 15th? I think it was April 15th. Well, the date honestly doesn't matter. I saw him do this, and you know nowadays, y'all, everybody's doing the 2 streaks and all this next stuff, so I honestly thought like people was gonna jump on this. I thought people was gonna jump on the style the way he did it, but y'all, people didn't. So today I'm going to be doing this inspired look. I hope it comes out the same way that he did it, because, yo, it's bomb. Yeah, he did this April 15th. This joint is bomb, y'all. And y'all know Alonzo was big, so I'm surprised like nobody tried to do it, unless people did try to do it, but it didn't come out the same way as he did. But today I'm going to be trying this look, and it's going to come out the same way he did. I'm going to give you guys a little sneak peek of how it looks. This is how it looks. It's almost like the same concept as the blonde with the 2 streaks and all that, but with the red covers the whole head and the ends. And y'all, I'm so happy. But I feel like I've been doing a lot of red and black, but I honestly don't even care, because red and black is my favorite colors. Honestly, to wear and to do in my hair, that's honestly colors I would go for no matter what. But today we're about to get into this look. Yeah, so this is Wiggings hair. This is 24 inches. Shout out to Wiggings for sending me this hair. Like, guys, I can't wait to do this look. I honestly hope it turns out the same way his does. This is honestly easy though. It's not hard. It's not hard at all. The knots aren't bleached yet. I'm gonna wait till the hair dries tomorrow to bleach the knots tomorrow, and I'm gonna be installing this hair Friday. Today is Thursday. I'm gonna be installing this hair Friday night going into Saturday, because that's just how I do it. But okay, let me read you guys the details of this hair. So this is a 13 by 6. I love, because I just love 13 by 6 because I can do a deep part. I love deep parts, y'all. The 13 by 4 frontals I told y'all they've been sending me is really but like straight not it, because I feel like they don't give you your frontals worth. Like, it don't be enough space. I feel like they don't give you your frontals worth. It don't be enough space to part or do damn near anything, y'all. This is a 13 by 6, 180 density, and it's 24 inches like I said. You can use my code ARIE to get $6 off. And y'all, now let's get into this video. I just love this hair. I'm about to body this hair, y'all. Have I ever had 24 inches straight hair? I don't think I ever had 24 inches straight hair. The only 24 inches I was getting was curly hair. You guys know I've been fed up with curly hair. I'm over it, literally. So, this 24 inches on your girl is about to be, oh, stop playing with me. But okay, so let's get into this color. Once again, I'm doing a lot of talking. Before we get into this video, I won't be using any type of, you know, special bleach or anything. I'm gonna be going with BW2 with 40 volume developer. I have 3 reds right here, y'all. I have crimson, I have ruby red, and I have wild cherry. Depending on how bright the blonde gets, I will decide which color I'm gonna use. I'm gonna lean more towards the crimson or ruby red because he had a vibrant red, but he was using KO color. Her colors was popping. I gotta get my hands on some. But yeah, the wild cherry looks a little too dark, so I'm gonna lean towards the crimson or ruby red. And now let's get into the, oh, hold on. You guys will see a garbage bag over my canvas head because, listen, I got a new stand and I got a new canvas head. I'm not trying to mess it up. My last one got messed up. I used my last one yesterday to bleach my friend here for her birthday. And you guys know it just keeps wobbling. So I don't have time for that today. I'm going to just put a plastic bag over my canvas head and over the stand. If it gets on the stand, I can just wash it down with Clorox wipe. But, yeah, so now let's get into the video, y'all.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me out, say me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me, y'all say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about them. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feeling on a nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make ya look back. Move that, where ya move that? Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Cause you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me ya, say she give me pon me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my whining, let me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, say me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's Feet Kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them and watch it. They are pretty bad man. Bad man, what you say?
You are packing the air, this gas or what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him up. Give my shorty stimulus and guns, I tell him slap for nothing.